Alright, we got a lot going on today. I'm currently washing the sheets on all the beds in the house, get my house back together, get groceries, wrap presents, unpack, the whole shebang. We're home, we're back in business. I am going to wear my comfy wide leg jeans and a very big oversized black sweater to start. Alright, I moved you a little higher up and realized halfway with one leg on a jean, I'm home, aside from errands for a good part of today. And I have zero desire to wear jeans. It's just not happening. So I grabbed one of my jumpsuits. This is actually a very comfy jumpsuit, but I know it looks a little bit fancy. So we're going to dress it down. I'm going to use they're just like straw flats. They're very comfortable. My feet can't do boots right now. My feet hurt. And I'm going to wear a very oversized cozy sweater to kind of dress it down, but we're still going to accessorize. I also threw my hair up in a claw clip just to kind of, again, dress the jumpsuit down because the jumpsuit's very comfortable, but we definitely want to stick with the vibe. This is a very neutral look for me, but I feel like I'm feeling very neutral today. And I'm very comfortable. I mean, since a lot of what I have to do is chores, I feel good. And I can take the cardigan off when I start sweating, so I feel good. If you have a jumpsuit that's comfortable, but you're worried it's too fancy, just dress it down. Just dress it down. Wear it anyways. That's what I do. I'm going to add some pop of color with my purse though, because I feel like it does need a little color. And then I still kept that slouchy feel to it. So now I am happy, I am cozy, I'm going to get my errands done, I'm going to get my house in order. I'm going to be productive today. I'm going to manifest that production out there. I will talk to you later. I'm doing a hair tutorial today, so I'm doing one of those later today.